Guys, and welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be playing some more of Five Nights at Freddy's. Now, if you don't remember in the last one, you should go probably watch that. It's Five Nights at Freddy's, part 2. But we beat Night 2 and Night 3. So we're going to go on to Night 4. We're going to see how that is. It's going to be pretty scary. And, whew, I'm scared. Let's do it. Come on. I don't remember any of the controls. Okay, that's the... Okay, circle is light. What is... Oh, what is the cameras? What's the cameras? I can't... Oh, okay. Okay, that's the cameras. Chica's there. Alright, we just have to watch that. Oh, shit! Foxy's already out. Shit. Did I somehow mute the call? I didn't want to mute the call. Oh, shut up! Okay, come on. We got this. Just, we're chilling out. We're chilling out. We're chilling out. Chica moved. That's okay. She's right over there. That's fine. That's okay. That's okay. We're fine. Oh, shit! Foxy's moved! Wait for it. 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 Foxy's about to move. Foxy's about to go. Wait for it. Fuck it, I'm leaving it closed. I'm leaving it closed. Fuck it. Fuck it, all full of buckets. Chica hasn't moved yet. He should be still in the dining room, right? Dude, Foxy, just move already. Just get away from Foxy. Oh shit. Is Foxy gonna move, damn it? Dude, are you kidding me? Foxy, move, for frick's sake, man. Oh my, okay. What is all these steppy steps that I'm hearing? Stop stim stomping. Chica's about to move any minute. Oh shit! Did I do it? Okay, Chica's in the kitchen. I did it. I'm a genius. Foxy, you're an... Where... Okay, so Bonnie is... right by the door. Stop making sounds, buddy. Okay, if I hear any noises, then I know Bonnie's right by my door. Chica... I don't know where... She's in the kitchen. Chica's in the kitchen. This is actually a lot more chill than I would thought it would be. Knock on wood, it doesn't get worse. If I hear any footy steps, I know who that's for. Foxy's still there. Bonnie's still chilling. We're at 55% at 2 a.m. We're not even halfway there. I need to take a look at Foxy. Foxy's chilling. Freddy's still there. Okay. If I hear any footy steps, I know who that is. Okay, Foxy. Got it. Chica's still in the kitchen, chilling out. Oh, shit. Yep. Knew it. Knew it. I'm a genius. That sounded wrong. Okay, baby. What you about to do? We about to do this in Night 2. This ain't Night 2. This is Night 4. I'm about to score my blower. I don't know. Oh, well, that's unfortunate. Well, frickin' Bonnie's still there, so we can't really do much. Okay, I'm just gonna chill. Oh, crap. Chica's there. We are currently locked in. Well, where might be fricked. Okay, where is...
I'm out. I don't... You think I'm about to... I'm not watching this!
Oh, shit! Oh, thank God. Thank God. I had that closed. Okay. Where is Bonnie? Okay. We might be fricked just a little bit. Close that. Where are they? Where are they? I don't freaking know where they are. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, okay, okay. Oh my gosh. Keep it chill, keep it chill. Keep it chill. Keep it chill, keep it chill. Should be good, should be okay. Should be okay. Okay, Bonnie's over there. We're rocking back and forth in our chair. Left. Try and link this out. Nope. Yep, there it is. Okay. We're on 4 a.m. or 5 a.m. I didn't quite remember. So, moral of the story is you never stay overnight at a family pizzeria, because that is gonna be a heck of a bitch to, you know, try to do stuff in. Is he gonna start? There he is. Freddy sucks. He is a pile of human parts, and I don't want to say what he really is, because it might offend people in the comments. That was so scary. Okay. Let's do this, Night 4. Come on. What do you got for me? What do you got for me? We got to 4 a.m. last time. We got to 4 a.m. Okay, so everybody's chilling for now. Is the phone guy gonna call? Phone guy gonna call? I'm gonna try and prolong everything. I think somebody moved. Chica moved right there. Okay. Phone guy's not gonna say anything, unfortunately. I think we kind of wasted a bunch of power last time. I don't want to do that right now. I don't want to do that while we're here. So Chica in the kitchen. Okay. Checking the windows, checking the doorways. She's right there. Bonnie's still on the stage. Should be chilling for a little bit.
Five minutes later.
I don't know why I'm singing this song, but it's kind of fun to be doing it along the ropes of this game, cause it is very scary for me. But I'm kinda getting the hang of it, because I am an absolute Chad. You can't say that I'm not, because I am a menacing pineapple, and pineapples are menacing. They come from the ground. I don't know why I'm singing this song, but it's really fun, so I'm gonna keep on doing it, so you guys can probably sing along. Okay, so Chica's in the kitchen. Right? Chica's in the kitchen. Yeah, Chica's definitely in the kitchen. You should stop that immediately, my man. Foxy, Chica. We don't want to leave Foxy not watched forever. Because, like the guy said, Foxy doesn't like being watched. So, if he feels like he's being watched, then he won't move. So I just have to chill out and watch him for a little bit. Why do the nights take so long in this game? Like, seriously, what's the deal? Oh, great. Whip! Whip! Okay, so Bonnie's not there anymore. There he is. Okay. We're gonna chill for a little bit. As soon as I hear him move, it should be okay. Bonnie's still there. Oh, shit. Whoa, Chica. Chill out, baby. No. No. What can we do? Foxy's about to come over here. Okay. We can leave that door for a little bit. Did she happen to leave? She did. Okay, perfect. Okay, now I feel more comfortable doing this. Foxy, you better stop, buddy. You better chill out. Okay, I don't know where any of them are. See, I'm scared. Oh shit! Yep, there he is. Okay! buddy. Bonnie. Bonnie. Here, boy. We have 6%, 5% actually. Okay, we should leave it for a little bit. 5 p.m. I don't know how long it takes. Chica's over there. Leave for a little bit. Oh shit. Yep, there she is. We might be dead. If 6 a.m. doesn't come, I'm gonna be very disappointed in myself. Actually, the game. The game is stupid. Not me. I'm epic sauce. What are those sounds? Oh, okay. Well, I'm disappointed. If 5 a.m. doesn't come, I'm gonna be very disappointed. Come on, 6 a.m. This is bullshit. For the first little bit, I'm not gonna do anything. I need to chill. I need to chill out for a little bit. Somebody time the hours. Tell me how long the hours go for. Somebody in the comments tell me how long. I'll frickin' know what I just said. Don't worry about that. How's Foxy doing? How's Foxy? Chilling? Oh shit, she's not chilling. He's about to jump at me, dude. Okay, so I think when it says sorry out of order on the sign, then I think I have to check the hallway, and then I close the door. Freddy moved. Oh shit, did it do the thing? Okay, it didn't do the thing. Okay, shit, Freddy's right there. Shit, dude. Oh, that's bad. Oh shit, we might die. Because Freddy doesn't leave when you do the thing. Freddy doesn't leave. Where is Bonnie? Bonnie's still at the end of the hallway. How's Freddy doing? Freddy's doing great, dude. Freddy is not the greatest man alive! He's the worstest! The worstester! The worstester! I'm just gonna close that because I have a feeling. Okay, there it comes. You set that guy fast. Okay, Bonnie's right next to my door. Yeah, there he is. And Freddy is also right next to my door. So I think I might be fricked in the butt either way. Now, as soon as Freddy laughs, I gotta close that door. Currently, I have no choice but to physically kill this guy with my light. I'll flash him so hard. Give him the old nip show. As soon as Freddy laughs, I am... Oh my gosh. Where's Freddy? Where'd Freddy go? He was right there. Oh my gosh. I need to wait till Freddy laughs. We might be S than the B. I don't trust it. I don't trust it. Where would Freddy have gone? Where would Freddy have gone? I don't know where Freddy would have gone. Freddy normally just hangs out by the door. No, he's gone! He went back! Awesome! Freddy, you are a Chad. But Bonnie is not. Bonnie is definitely not. Okay, let's go check out Foxy. Oh crap, I don't have a lot of time. Come on. Oh crap, no, 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 no. Come on. 5 a.m., 5 a.m., 5 a.m., 5 a.m. 5 a.m., come on, come on, 5 a.m., come on, 5 a.m. I'm trying to put so much distance between me and the power. Like, the power sword is gonna be such a problem. Oh crap, he moved, didn't he? He freaking moved. Where'd he move to? He moved right there. Shit. Crap, dude. Where's Bonnie? I just need to wait. I'm currently in a bad situation because if I don't finish this fast, my mom is gonna get angry at me. And I don't want my mama to be angry at me. Okay. I need to leave it. I need to leave it. I need to leave it. Close. Oh my gosh. What was that? What was that? Okay, so I want to thank you guys so much for watching. That was really hard. I don't know how I'm gonna beat Night 4, but whatever. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy, please leave a like and subscribe. That'd be greatly appreciated. Also, hit the bell. Oh, sorry, I didn't give you reasoning to subscribe. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy, please leave a like and subscribe because I post horror game videos every second day. So if you're into that kind of stuff, please consider leaving a subscribe and hit the like button. It helps me out with the YouTube algorithm a lot. So thank you guys, and as always, I'm the Menacing Pineapple, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.